Hey guys, and welcome back to Barbie channel. Yes, as you see that I have so much coughing and I'm now stuck in Bali due to the corona pandemic. And now I gotta go to the Siloam hospital, one of the famous private hospital in Bali. And firstly, to enter the gate, they're gonna check your temperature. So and then they write it down on the small notes and stick it on your shirt. And if your temperature is higher than 37.5, I don't think that they allow you to come inside. And while there, they put the hand gel for you to clean your hand. So yes, my temperature is 37, so I can come in. Let's go. Well, here as you see that everywhere now we supposed to keep the social distancing, so that means that you should keep the distance with the other people. And I'm so happy to find now this piano here in Bali. This is the only piano I find in Bali, and I'm gonna play my own favorite music. Thank you guys for watching the videos. My cough is just because of the cold I got, not because of the corona. Maybe I'm still. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.